New NotebookLM updates are insane. Today I'm going to show you something wild. NotebookLM just dropped 2 brand new features, and they're about to change everything for your business. Want to turn your research into visuals in seconds? Stick around because this is absolutely massive. Here's what changed. NotebookLM now lets you create infographics and slide decks automatically. I know that sounds simple, but trust me, this is going to blow your mind. Before this update, you could use NotebookLM to get audio summaries and study guides. That stuff was cool, but now you can turn all your research into professional-looking visuals. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use these features, plus I'll give you the exact prompts you need to get the best results. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me break down the first feature. It's called infographics, and this one is powered by something called Nano Banana Pro. That's Google's new image generation model. Here's how it works. You take all your source documents in NotebookLM, could be research papers, could be meeting notes, could be anything, and you tell it to create an infographic. What you get back is a professional visual summary. We're talking charts, diagrams, relationship maps, key points laid out perfectly. The cool part is that these aren't just pretty pictures, they're actually accurate. Nano Banana Pro is connected to Google Search's knowledge base, so it understands context, it knows what matters, it creates visuals that make sense. Right now, this is rolling out to pro users first, but Google says free users will get it in the coming weeks. So if you don't see it yet, just hang tight. Here's a prompt you can use right now. Create an infographic summarizing the main themes and data points from my uploaded research paper on climate change. Include key statistics, relationship between causes, and future projections. This prompt works great because you're giving NotebookLM clear direction on what to focus on. Just swap out climate change for whatever topic you're working on. The key is asking for specific elements like themes, data points, and statistics so the AI knows what to pull from your sources. When you're detailed about what you want, you get better results that actually match your needs. Here's another one. Visualize the relationship between the 3 major theories in my sources. Show how they compare, overlap, and differ. This type of prompt is perfect when you need to show connections between different concepts. It helps you understand complex relationships without reading through pages of text. The visual format makes it way easier to grasp how different ideas connect to each other. Plus, when you're trying to explain something complicated to your team or clients, having those relationships mapped out visually saves you so much time. And before I forget, if you want to learn how to automate your entire research and content workflow with tools like NotebookLM, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. I'll show you exactly how to use these visual AI tools to create presentations, reports, and content faster than ever. Link is in the description. So back at it. And if you want something simple, try this. Make a professional infographic that highlights 5 key lessons from my notes with icons and a clean layout for sharing with my study group. This one is great for when you need something quick and shareable. By asking for a specific number of lessons and mentioning icons and clean layout, you're giving the AI design guidance too. The more specific you are about the visual style, the more polished your final result will be. The second feature is even bigger. It's slide decks. You can now convert your research into full presentation ready slides. And I mean full decks, title slides, content slides, chart slides, conclusion slides, everything. These aren't basic either. They're fully customizable. You can tell NotebookLM who your audience is. Are you presenting to beginners, executives, technical experts? NotebookLM adjusts the content and the style based on what you tell it. Here's where it gets really powerful. Nano Banana Pro creates all the visuals for your slides too. So you're not just getting text on a page, you're getting diagrams, icons, backgrounds, all designed to match your content. And when you're done, you can export the whole thing as a PDF or share it directly. This makes it super easy to go from research to presentation in minutes instead of hours. Let me give you some prompts for the slide deck feature. Here's one. Generate a 10-slide deck summarizing my document on digital marketing strategy with an intro slide, problem plus solution, data slides, and conclusion. This prompt works because you're specifying the exact structure you want. When you tell the AI how many slides and what type of content goes where, you get a more organized presentation that flows logically from start to finish. Think about it like giving directions. The more clear you are about the destination, the better the route you'll get. Here's another powerful one. Create a presentation tailored for executives about the findings in my uploaded report. Include key metrics, risks, recommendations, and next steps. The magic here is that you're defining your audience and the specific elements you need. When you mention executives, the AI knows to keep things high level and focus on business impact rather than technical details. This means you don't have to spend time editing out jargon or simplifying complex explanations. The AI does the heavy lifting for you right from the start. And if you're teaching something, use this. Make a beginner level teaching deck from my research notes on blockchain technology. Use visuals to explain how blockchain works, its use cases and challenges. This prompt is perfect because you're setting the complexity level right from the start. By saying beginner level and asking for visuals, you're making sure the content is accessible and easy to understand for people who are new to the topic. Educational content needs to be clear and visual, and this prompt makes sure you get exactly that without having to manually simplify everything yourself. The reason these features matter so much is simple. They save you time. Before this update, making slides or graphics took forever. You had to manually move ideas from your notes, design layouts, pick colors, find icons. It was a whole process. Now, NotebookLM does all of that for you. It bridges the gap between research and visuals and presentation all in one tool. For anyone who works with information, this is a game changer. Let me be real with you though. This rollout is gradual. Not everyone has these features yet. Even some pro users are still waiting. There are some regional differences too, and some people are getting access based on their tier or their workspace setup. So if you don't see infographics and slide decks in your NotebookLM yet, don't panic, it's coming. Just keep checking your Studio tab. NotebookLM just became one of the most powerful tools for turning information into visuals. Whether you're running a business, teaching, studying, or creating content, you need to try this. The time you'll save is insane. The quality you'll get is professional, and it's all powered by AI that actually understands what you're working on. If you already have access to these features, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what you created. Show me your infographics. Show me your slide decks. I want to see what you're building with this. And if you don't have access yet, bookmark this video, because when it rolls out to you, you're going to want these prompts ready to go. So yeah, NotebookLM just unlocked insane power. Infographics plus slide decks equals turning your research into visuals in seconds. This is going to change how you work, how you present, how you share information. And before I forget, if you want to learn how to automate your entire research and content workflow with tools like NotebookLM, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. I'll show you exactly how to use these visual AI tools to create presentations, reports, and content faster than ever. Link is in the description. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with anyone who needs to level up their AI game. That's it for today. See you in the next one.